Hey dude, what do you want for lunch? I don't know. Torchies?
Guys, I just got the best idea.
Yeah, go on ahead. Of course.
Alright, you know how we were trying to make up a new show that's based off of anime? But like, we have to make it different so it doesn't like, you know, be succinct or like the same old with every other anime.
Yeah?
Well, check this shit out.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Mm-hmm. Holy shit! This is the best idea I've ever seen! He's speaking the language of the gods! We're gonna make millions!
I just have one question.
Does it come in black?
Intruder, identify yourself.
Oh God! Oh God! No! 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 Get over here! I'll fight you like a man! Gotcha! I'm just a cat! Get over here! Ah! Get that big sword!